Hi, just trying to get my practice using my screencasting app. So the placement test is located right here. You'd click on placement and then it will take you into the placement test. Let's go back. That's where you're going to find the placement test. And then here are all the different units. Unit 1, he said, is around novice. And then unit 2 would be novice mid to novice high. Now unit 1 only has 4 chapters. Okay, it's a shorter unit. And then here's unit 2. And if you see, it has many chapters. It has 10 chapters. Okay, and then here are all the different units. So unit 1 would be novice low. Unit 2 would be novice mid to novice high. 3 would be intermediate low. And then 4 and 5, you're getting into intermediate mid and above. So this would be for like the 3 advanced and above classes. I'm going to use this for my 2 accelerated, although it may be a little bit challenging for them. I'm not sure. I haven't really dove into it. And like I said, I'm not using this as my main form. It's just a little bit of enrichment, kind of making sure that they're getting enough input while we are not having the same amount of minutes in class and they're not hearing Spanish as much. So hopefully that was helpful, and hopefully you find this tool useful.